Sure. Awesome. So, um, okay, cool. So I guess I'll repeat myself, okay? Just because people didn't hear me on X. So Meteora,
Let's start again.
yeah, I'm just gonna go through it, fairly quickly. Hey guys, hey everyone, listening on X. There wasn't sound for some reason. I disabled it in the OBS. I don't know why, but now I've just enabled it, okay? So you guys should be able to hear me now. So what I have shown the past 10 minutes is that and utilized is that Meteora yesterday announced a very nice partnership with a project, um, which essentially allows for us LPs to earn rewards if we provide liquidity into two specific pools. There is a URC Sol pool and a URC UTT pool. Um, the exact details are that these two pools are going to earn each 12,500 URC um, coins every week, and these will be distributed to LPs. Okay, and the exact way that it works is that um, you essentially earn rewards based on the amount of liquidity you have in the active bin. Okay, so not on the active position, i.e., you cannot just put say 100,000 USDC and make a bid as right and earn rewards based on all of that 100k USDC. You would only earn rewards based on your liquidity provided in the active bin. Now this is relevant because that's why I've chosen this given strategy here. Like I've decided to provide uh, 50k USDC into uh, the active bin right now, um, which should provide me pretty good rewards over the coming days if price decides to stay in this bin here. Um, Now the purpose of why I've provided this amount of liquidity into this active bin here in this pool here, which has these rewards every week, is to show you guys how you can actually earn a lot of money these very uncertain conditions in a safe manner, right? We're gonna take a look at the APY I'll be earning, um, in a few hours, or probably the next hour, because I'm gonna let this open for probably like an hour, and then we're gonna take a look at it and calculate the APY based on the rewards and the fees I've earned in this pool here. What I right now have is that I have two positions open. I have a 50k um, bin, um, which is the active bin right now. And then I have a 20k bin, which is the exact next bin, the exact adjacent bin to the active bin right now. All right, cool. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, I'll take a look at some questions now in the Discord. So when you deposit just one token to the active bin, it will split that token into yeah, exactly. It will not split it into the exact ratio of the tokens, because that will depend on how much liquidity you of how much of the single token that you put into the active bin. It will create a new ratio, um, but yeah, essentially, yeah, you need to be cautious. You need to be cautious about providing liquidity into the active bin. You need to always look at the ratio and look at how much your liquidity is relative to the current ratio in the active bin. Exactly. You can exactly. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping Ferris Square. So frankly, you can literally look at the ratio by hovering over the bin that is light gray. You can kind of see that it's active compared to the other bins, because the other bins are gray and the active bin is a bit lighter. So you just hover over it and you can see the ratio. You can see that there is approximately 30% URC and 60% USDC. Okay, cool. All right, not 69%, but I'm getting a pretty solid APY right now, guys. I'm literally earning. I've earned someone 50k, right? Because that's the active bin I have right now. I've earned 6 URC, around like 9 URC in like maybe like 10 minutes, right? Maybe even less, 5 minutes. Now if you multiply that, with how many 5 minutes there are in a year, that's probably quite a lot. We'll do the calculations later on, guys. Because right now we need to take a look at some more interesting stuff uh, that is the market conditions, guys. Because U.S. markets are going to open quite soon. U.S. markets are going to open quite soon, and we need to be like and how the markets open are going to determine the prices of our Solana, you know, um, that we want to help you with. First Square is asking where do I sell my kidney? I don't know, man. You'll have to ask someone else. Someone is asking, why are you holding stablecoins now? I think this is the best time to buy the dip. Or do you think the market will go even lower? So I do have a bit of Solana. Okay, I have a bit of Solana that I'm gonna help you with if the markets provide me with good opportunities. Um, right. But I'm mostly stable for sure, and that is because markets the market is quite uncertain right now. I'd rather invest in a certain market than an uncertain market because in an uncertain market I have no strategy, I have no plan. I usually like to trade and invest with a plan, with a clear strategy of where we may be heading. If I was to buy a lot of Solana right now, I wouldn't be certain that would go up. Like it would be very much 50-50, especially now that US markets are going to open in like 10 minutes. Exactly. Exactly. First one is providing a very good point. Why take on risk when you don't need to? Um, exactly. Like it's much easier to invest when market is certain because otherwise you may end up lose quite a lot of money. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, true. So okay, so market's gonna open in 10 minutes, and for that, I think we can take a look at why this is relevant to Bitcoin and ultimately Solana, guys. So I have two charts open right now, guys. I have S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. So if you guys look at so right now this is a chart, and I've kind of drew like two trend lines since since the last bull run. On the Nasdaq,
Can
we
you
see.
change, Yusuf? Can you change to dark mode? I think.
Okay. Let me see if I can do that. Where do you do that on TradingView?
I think, and the setting is on the top.
There?
No, not there. The
Probably
on
this one, right?
on the.
No, that's just the chart. I have zero idea, guys. Does anyone know how to make TradingView into a black mode, dark mode?
I'm
I
looking. Sorry.
Yeah, guys. I'm
I'm gonna
sorry.
find. Keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna find.
Sure. I think I can just put the
It's the corner on the Y on your name, your profile.
oh there. Okay. I see. Cool. Nice. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. Yo, what's up, Tiago? What's up? What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for coming. Okay. So, um, awesome, guys. So, what did I want to say? Yeah, I wanted to talk about U.S. markets. Yeah. So, U.S. markets are going to open in 8 minutes.
וזה
Okay.
יוסף.
Hey, what's up?
סופורט מנג'ר, מי זה התותח הזה?
Sorry, I'm gonna mute.
Yeah, I'm
Sorry.
gonna mute him. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So this is Nasdaq. This is S&P 500. This one, maybe I can just refresh it and it will go to dark mode. You see? Yes, it will. And my lines are gone. Anyways, so as we see on Nasdaq here, guys, we see that there's been a clear bullish trend line over the past years or so, right? But recently we've had a big dip. We all saw it yesterday, guys. We had a big pump. Even on, in crypto due to the announcement from Donald Trump, and it literally retraced within a day. Largely due to the tariff news, and also due to how SPX and Nasdaq and major indices have performed yesterday due to the tariff news, right? Now, what does this mean? This means that right now, market is very uncertain, right? As I've always said, especially like the last few sessions, I've repeated that market is very uncertain right now. And it still is, but there is a quite big risk that market may actually confirm a downtrend. Now, this is not something that has been confirmed yet. We'll still have to wait days for for us to realize whether if we're actually going into a some type of a downtrend on major indices. If that's the case, so essentially, like what I'm saying is that we may go into a downtrend like across SPX, Nasdaq, Dow. If that's the case, guys, then we may actually turn. Yeah, I mean that will hurt Bitcoin, that will hurt Solana, that will hurt like all markets, right? Um, but ultimately we can't really say anything right now. We'll still have to wait a few days. Hopefully, like the only idea that I have right now is that Trump kind of somehow saves the markets by either taking the tariff news back or something. I don't know, man. Because otherwise it's quite hard to. It's very reasonable to believe that we may actually turn into a downtrend on major indices, which would mean a downtrend on Bitcoin, Solana, major crypto coins. Um, so yeah, guys. I mean, like the next few days are going to be extremely interesting and are really interesting for big market makers. Um, right. I shorted MicroStrategy today. You're a goat for doing that, man. I mean, I should definitely get into actually like investing into indices and stocks as well, but I'm not doing that. I'm like full crypto, guys. I'm a real like crypto dude. I'm not into stocks and indices, but like in the end of the day, they do impact our markets. They do impact much of what we do on a day-to-day basis. Like our livelihood, is it's caused by it, right? Like the market conditions, the meme coins, the volume on chain is largely caused by bull markets across major indices. Yeah, I agree, man. Like MicroStrategy is kind of like just a leveraged Bitcoin, literally, which can be very like lucrative for sure. So markets are gonna open like in a few minutes, guys. 4 minutes. We're gonna see what will happen. Let me take a look at my. Okay, guys. So my position is out of range on the URC. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm frankly just gonna probably like swap all of it into USDT. Or I'll have to take a look at the current ratio in this. Yeah. Okay. So if I was to put all my USDT into this bin here, then it would likely get converted, or then, or not even not if I put all my USDC, which would be approximately 50k, right? 49k. If I was to put 49k into this active bin here, right, then it would probably like flatten out. Then it would probably be like 50% URC, 50% USDT. So basically, we can trade forex now. Yeah, bro, we can literally trade. Guys, URC is dumping for some reason. Not too much though. I mean, obviously, like we were talking about, like this is somewhat of a stable pair, right? Compared to USDC Solana or something. So this is much safer and much less risky. Let's take a look at how where Solana is at. Okay, so Solana seems like Solana had this exit uh, pump leading up to US market open. I'm really looking forward to what will happen like over the next few minutes. We have 2 minutes left. I'm gonna swap 30k of my URC into USDT, and then I'm gonna open a. I'm gonna put. Cool. I'm just gonna put it into this. So guys, you can see here like the this active bin has 2.2k URC and 100 USDT, right? This means like a ratio of like 93% URC and the rest in USDT. But still, although like the ratio is very big and skewed to the URC side, if I was to put 30k USDC into this pool, then it would largely consist of USDT, which we can check and see what happens when I do that. Yeah, so now basically or someone else also provide liquidity to the event. That's why I see, because this is like 60k and I only put like 30k. Anyways, let's see if we can earn a good APY, increase our APY. Holy shit! First is saying, holy shit! I didn't realize Euro was almost the same as USDC. Yeah, I mean, what can I say to you? The markets have been crazy, man, lately. So someone on X is kind of asking me about like why I'm going with the one bin strategy. So this is because of the fact that I'm in a pool. Meteor has announced rewards, um, and the rewards are based on the TVL you are providing into the active bin. So that's why I'm largely like I'm only LPing like one bins in this pool here. So the markets have opened now. Oh guys, we have a big dump. Oh, I don't know. Let me see. Not too much of a dip. Let me go. So markets have opened now, guys. Let's see what happens with Sol. Oh shit! No, oh, I thought that was used to see. Oh my god, guys! I I legit thought Solana just dipped to like 129. That scared me too. Jeez. Yeah, dude, man. I was literally about to. Yeah. I mean, Solana's likely gonna dump, guys. Like, let's be real. Uh, I don't know. I mean, SPX is holding, I guess. Yeah. I mean, not too bad, guys. But let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna de-risk a bit, guys. I have like 134 Solana. I was supposed to, LP with it, but I'm just gonna de-risk it just a bit. My slippage is too low. Yeah, I need to increase that. Oh, I got a good bad price. What the hell happened to Soul Recovery? I blink and it wiped. Yeah, dude. I mean, it's so like current market conditions are so problematic. Like literally. Anyways, too much macro, guys. I'm getting very tired of talking about macro. Like it's just looking very bad right now. Right. Should we like get into some LPing, guys? Other than LPing stable coins, because stable coins are not that interesting. Back to the completely non-political Euro USDT pair. Yeah, we need to LP some
Yeah,
let's LP some meme
some
coins, guys.
meme coins.
Yeah, guys. Come
Yeah,
on.
suspicious ones, please.
Yeah, guys. Let's LP some meme coins. Okay. So we have like, guys. Let's take a look at Lucas Studio, okay? I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna open Lucas Studio. Guys, Lucas Studio is the site. It's the go-to site if you want to find good, pairs to LP, like meme coins, or not meme coins, but just pairs with volume. Yeah, this is not something you want to see, man. Only pairs that are doing volume are literally just Solana, Bitcoin. So Priest is actually doing pretty good volume. Let's take a look at that one. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that. I'm just gonna find the CA. I think we should LP Priest. Like Priest has been a pretty solid contender, and coin the past 2 days actually. And it's looking pretty good. I mean, this is like the kind of chart you want to LP, and it's very rare to find any chart like this in current market conditions. But yeah, let's see if we can like do some good positions. So. I mean, this is a pretty tough one to be fair. Like because we are at a support level. So let's just draw that out, okay? So Priest has some support at 508. Right now I'm looking against USDC, right? Yeah. Maybe I should take a look at Solana because we're gonna LP Solana pairs, Priest pairs. So
Yusuf, I think the EURC Soul pair can be a good pair
we're gonna take
for
a
multi-day
we yeah we should definitely
because
take a
it
look at
has
that
the
one.
incentives and that yeah, it's basically a Soul SDC pool. For me, like it's good.
Mm. Solana's pumping, which is awesome to see, guys. 138. So it seems like SP and Nasdaq might be pumping right now. But this is what we want to see, guys. And Priest is also pumping, which is perfect. So yeah, I think I need to like I kind of want to wait with opening positions on this one. I could do one thing that would be like to pray for another downfall, like pray for this support to just break. Um, I don't know if that would make too much sense though. I guess it would. I could go down to like yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
but this coin is respecting tops and bottoms really well.
Yeah,
So if you see like the pattern, like if
I know.
this trend continues,
Yeah, I know. But the issue is I think this is gonna depend on Solana. This price action looks suspicious. Uh, how does this look suspicious, guys? This looks very normal, uh, to me.
yeah, for me this price action is very organic because it's doing like the retracements on the
Yeah,
red
exactly,
points.
exactly. I mean, this is the kind of coin you want to LP. This is the kind of coin you want to like invest in. But obviously, like right now, I mean, I could do two things, right? One thing I could just buy it and hope that it actually respects this bottom here, this support level. Um, that's obviously quite risky, with market conditions in mind. The other thing I could do is, frankly, you know, just like make a position covering from this support level here down to this level here. Maybe I could even go lower, like to from 33, just to like increase my capital efficiency. Since I already believe that price is gonna dump, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Like I'm not really in the mood of risking coins. Okay, Solana's just mooning, which is awesome. Should we buy some more Solana? I don't know. I'd have to look at the markets actually to figure out whether I should do that or not. But yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna make a position on this one here. From 31.7 down to 21.7. And I'm doing this, knowing that this coin here is pretty solid. And it seems like it respects basic levels. So it probably doesn't make too much sense, but I'm just gonna play it, and hopefully it turns out into my favor. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna choose the 100 bin step pool, 100 bin step 1% pool, and I'll just put 60 soul into that one, and I'm gonna I'm just gonna open it from like 37, so that will be my upper limit, and then I'm gonna take it all the way down to 21.7, 21.5, 21.7. And probably this one, okay? And I'm gonna do a mix between bid ask and spot. I'm gonna put 50 soul in bid ask, then I'm gonna add 10 soul in spot. Okay, guys. So I have one position here, okay? On Puig, and I just open it, and we'll see how this one plays out. What do you guys think about my position? Do you think it's like too conservative? Would you buy this here and then hope for it to pump again, or what do you guys think?
Yeah. I would do a double-sided position because I think this coin would have like downside, upside. But like with market conditions, you can de-risk not doing this, because double side is always riskier.
Yeah, exactly. I totally agree. I think double side is, yeah. I mean, I'm not feeling like risking anything right now. I would buy Puig, send it to the bid ask. So someone is saying I would do the opposite. I would buy Puig and send it to the bid ask. I.e., he would buy Puig and then hopefully wait for it to pump. I think what I could do is that I could kind of like just buy 5 soul of it, literally, and just hold it because like in any case I think like current price is pretty solid, literally. And if it respects these levels here, then it could go back to all-time high, maybe even break it and go into price discovery, which would be very nice.
If Solana not Rugas.
Yeah, obviously, right? Solana Rex, but Solana is pumping, guys. What's going on? Why is what's happening there? Anyways,
So you're saying to me that you're making 3% on a stable pair?
yeah, bro. And this is like every day. And I think like
Besides the rewards, it's just the
yeah, this
rewards.
is just fees. Like the rewards are actually, like if we counted the rewards, then that's much larger. I think then we can then it's probably like 5% a day, which is a year, which is like 10x a year, right? I mean, but obviously, guys, like I'm in a one bin, and price could literally go into the next bin or some other bin, um, in the next 5 minutes, right? So this requires rebalancing. This requires checking the pairs, being awake and rebalancing when necessary. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at let's take a look at the other pool that provides rewards, because keep in mind, guys, this is just one of the pool that is getting 12,500 EURC every week. There's also another pool. There is also another pool a URC Solana pool, which makes which gets the same amount of reward. Not really stable. URC can fluctuate. Yeah. So someone is providing a very good point. He's saying that URC USDT isn't really that stable because it can fluctuate a lot, especially with trade war going on. And I totally agree. I totally agree. But in any case, as you're saying, like it is safer and less risk on than meme coins. So let's try and find the other pool, okay? And this so guys, if you haven't realized it, you can actually see like there is a icon for pools that have rewards, right? So this is the other pool that has rewards in it. Now this is the one here because Solana just pumped, right? I made a petition expecting a dump. So I'm actually gonna withdraw my URC here, and I'm gonna see if I can make a petition this one here. This pool here should also cook pretty well in terms of rewards. It has less liquidity than the stable pool, so essentially you're gonna make more rewards, but it comes with the risk of impermanent loss because of Solana. It's quite volatile.
Yeah, but if you are like in stables like you, Yusuf, can be a good play upside because you can buy Solana at the low price, make a wide range upside position if you think Solana is going up, and
Yeah.
then you can farm everything and the incentives.
Yeah, I kind of agree. Man, I need to open Binance. I need to look at the Solana.
Thiago is making a question. Yes, these two pools, Thiago has a partnership with Meteora, so they are deploying, I think, 25K split in in two pools over a week. So if you make positions on that, besides the fees, you can get
Yeah,
rewards and stablecoin.
exactly. And Tiago, if you want more info, like Meteora published an announcement yesterday. Like this is genuinely like if we see more of this, right? Like then that would be so awesome, so awesome as a liquidity provider. Like literally, you can make very good gains. I mean, then Meteora's gonna compete with Camino and because Camino. I mean, I think Camino is the like only major protocol that has these very big rewards. Um, but if Meteor can do the same, that'd be like so sick. Meteor's goaded, yeah, exactly, man. This is goaded, absolutely. Why rock check looks bad for URC? So I mean, I totally like the thing with stable coins, right? Because we need to understand that URC and USDT are regulated coins. They are not meme coins. Since they are regulated, they need to have stuff like freeze, authority, and all that, which makes them look bad if you put it into RockCheck. Um, but just understand that these coins here are backed by like institutions and all that. So although it has freeze authority, they're not gonna freeze your coins unless there is an actual reason to do so, which would probably only be in the case of like criminal activities. So anytime. I appreciate it. So yeah, that's the answer. Yeah, Solana is extremely volatile right now, but this is good. I think I could let's help it on the URC so pool. So I'm actually gonna do what I'm gonna do, guys, is that I'm gonna the price is so volatile that my laptop is literally slowing down for some reason. I'm gonna go down to like 137, but this is against USDT, man. I need can I find like a Sol euro? Is this a thing? No, it's not. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. So actually, I can actually, yeah, this is perfect. Um, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put my URC down to 131, probably just in a spot, right? And guys, the reason for why I'm in the Sol UR pool this is not a pool. This is just a a chart, right? This whole UR chart on Binance is because I'm gonna provide liquidity in a UR Sol pool, and that's why these prices are relevant to me as a liquidity provider. So I'm gonna okay, maybe I can maybe I can swap the denominator. So how do we do that on Binance? I have zero idea. Does anyone know how to swap, change it from being sold to UR to UR to sold? So how much one UR would be to sold? Because that's kind of the only I could also do the math, just with my brain. Maybe I should do that, but I'm not so good with math, or am I? Let's see. So 131. So I'm bringing up my calculator. See if I can. So 132. Okay. So 0.5. Okay. So I should go from 0.05 0.75 to, let me see. So I want to go all the way down to 131, right? Down to 76. Or yeah. Let me see. So that's like all the way up to the level here, right? So I'm just gonna go a bit higher just in case, because I'm going with quite a lot of. I'm gonna put 20k URC, okay? I'm gonna go up to, yeah, just 77, okay? Just a bit higher. But or maybe I should. Maybe I should just go a bit more aggressive and expect price to actually, stabilize around 130. Yeah, 130. Let me see. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Let's see how this pool performs. Okay. So these are the rewards I'm getting, and these are the fees, the swap fees. How is Pui doing? Yeah, not, yeah, just very stable. Okay, guys. So ERC for some reason is dumping. I mean, it's quite an interesting. It's quite interesting to see whether if I actually end up, being profitable, because ERC, yeah. So ERC is managed by Circle as well. So it's a safe coin, right? It's a stable coin based on the euro. That new. Yeah. So yeah, rewards are new. Meteor made an announcement yesterday on it. You can take a look at it. It's quite interesting to see whether if I actually end up, being profitable on this. Because price is volatile, not too much, but it is quite a bit volatile. Okay, so I think I'm nice. Someone wants to short your rope on chain. Yeah, you can basically short your rope on chain. Correct. Yeah, URC is dumping quite hard for some reason. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep my URC right now. Yeah, Solana is also dumping. Oh Okay. Why did I think that I was watching the USDT pool? I literally just thought Solana went from 141 to 132 in 2 minutes.
Because you look into Euro one, not
Yeah, I know.
USDT.
But it's it's confusing. It can confuse you. What do you think about Solana, guys? Do you think Solana's gonna? Oh my God, the euro is dumping. It's actually dumping, guys. Wait, wait, did it just pump? Oh no, no, this is an inactive pool. I chose the wrong pool. Yeah. Okay, I think I can put my URC into this pool. I'm gonna put 50k. And this is the adjacent bin to the current bin. Oh, it didn't. It didn't. It bugged. Yeah, someone on X is quite bearish on Solana. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's a pretty interesting one. Right now, I'm just LPing it. Hopefully, it turns out to be well. So Preach is dumping. Interesting. I'm thinking about like selling my Solana on my other wallet just to hedge myself against. But yeah. So the Solana I put into, I'm not sure if I should do that. I'm going to feel like a bank earning commissions with the euro. Exactly, exactly. I think I should kind of change my strategy. Maybe go a bit wider. Maybe go a bit wider. That's probably like the best strategy. Dump euro. That way I can buy more. No, I'm not gonna dump it, bro. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna have you buy my euros tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna hold on to the I'm gonna hold on to the URC for now. So this pool is doing pretty well. That I did. Breeze is literally trading like USDC right now. What are your thoughts on the this position here? Like because right now I'm going all the way down to like this level here, like which I think could be pretty solid. 130, approximately 130.3. That's like my upper limit. My position. I think it's pretty solid. Hopefully it cooks. Yeah, let me take a look at your URC. Yeah, I don't know. It feels like it's still at this price here, which it was before. Someone has a very nice and interesting question. Can you describe the ideal scenario for LP strategies? Bid to ask, curve, and spot. How to determine entry and exit points in LP. What strategies to apply for pools with high volume and other indicators. So
Tough.
what?
I think he should watch Bootcamp, right?
Yeah, to
Like,
be honest, yeah, that's kind of the same that I
yeah,
wanted to say.
sorry.
Yeah, I think like, especially since you're not already an LP Army private, I think you should attend the boot camp. They do explain the different strategies, the volatility strategies you can choose from. Yeah, exactly. Solana's just rugging us, guys. Holy sh! Oh no, man. Yeah, I ended up. Maybe Solana wasn't that stable after all. Or I mean, right now it should be cooking right because look at this, red wick or candle. Let's see where it closes. I kind of wanted to, bounce here, but let's see what happens. Hey, I just dumped all my soul for URC. Oh no, man. You got my URC, URC while I got your soul. You probably dumped into my pool, bro.
But this is crazy printing, Yusuf. This range you made it in
Yeah, bro,
this
but
that.
if Solana rugs me, man, I'm gonna lose on impermanent loss, I think. Holy moly. Yeah, I think Solana's gonna rug me. Yeah, it rugged me. What the, bro? Why is? Oh my god. What is this even? What is this even? I mean, where's Solana at against USDT? Oh, 136. Holy, did it just dump all the way down? That's crazy. That's literally diabolical. And I hate using that word, but it is. Okay, so we're having a good pump right now. I think I'm gonna de-risk. I'm gonna sell half of it right now into URC. I'm like a URC maxi right now. I'm a full on, but that's yeah. I don't know if that's a good idea to be honest, because maybe there's not that much liquidity. Hopefully we have a good pump here. Hopefully, and Priest is dumping, and it's actually going into my range, which is quite hilarious. Yeah, maybe we're actually finished, guys. Like, holy moly, bro. So what is this, man? Yeah, I'm gonna de-risk here. Definitely gonna do that. Like you guys can just see how uncertain and how volatile like market conditions are right now. Like I mean, this is purely this is beyond like madness. To be fair, I still have my soul in in the in the please position. Hopefully hopefully I actually end up making money on it. Although uh I should experience some type of impermanent loss on it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, actually, okay, I'm gonna put all my URC into a I'm gonna actually put it into like several bins, okay? What I'm planning to do is that I'm gonna do it all the way up to the next bin that has a lot of liquidity. So the smart idea by doing that is that I'm not gonna compete with this guy that had like 14k TVL, um, because I'm only going up to his bin, right? So essentially, as long as liquidity is like in these bins here, right, then I'm gonna make money. But it seems like the euro is dumping, so maybe I'm not gonna make any money.
Yeah, you want to know if you make money in a week doing this.
What?
Like you can't measure how much you're gonna win in just an hour. You have to do this like for a couple days to see
Yeah,
if you
exactly,
are earning something or
exactly,
this is.
exactly. I totally agree. I mean, bro, the issue is right now, man, like with with the trade wars. I mean, that's a legit concern because Trump hates Europe, and we're talking about like two two areas in the world that are quite, sophisticated, competing against each other, and that means volatility in this pair here, right? But hopefully I'm gonna try this strategy out, right? I'm basically gonna, I'm basically gonna let the okay. So this pin here has like a lot of liquidity in it. Hopefully we go through it in some way or another because I'm not gonna make too much rewards in as long as price is in this pin here because someone else has like a lot of uh hero coins in it. Um, so this is the fees. These are the rewards. So the rewards are calculated. I mean, there's an algorithm, but the idea is that you get rewards based on the TVL you're providing into the active bin. Okay, so it's not about so in this case here, right? I have 5k euro coins in this bin here, right? So I'm only gonna get rewards based on that. I'm not gonna get rewards on based on the euro coins I have up here. Yeah, yeah, only active bin, right? So that's why some people, I've seen a lot of people today, and I've also done it myself actually, and I've earned, quite a good amount in rewards just by going in one bin. But let's be real, like euro has been quite volatile today actually. If we can actually take a look at this chart here, literally, maybe like go on a 1 hour. This is euro coin, literally like over the past day, right? So it went from like 1048 to 1055, right? That's fairly volatile when we're in a one pin step pool. I mean, that's not just fairly volatile. That's actually quite volatile. We're getting the Christmas tree pattern here. Yo, yo. Okay, let's see if we have some questions on X or Discord.
Someone saying this is a bull trap.
Yeah, I saw that. I mean, I have nothing to say about that because I know nothing, bro. Like, I know nothing about what's gonna happen. I'm so uncertain. That's why I'm primarily stabled. Like, I cannot. It's kind of impossible to predict what's gonna happen here. My favorite pattern is the McDonald's one. Me too. I like that one as well, bro. Let's see if we can find it here. Yeah, we have it here. Like, although it looks a bit bad, but we do have like some type of an M, right? Da-da-da-da-dun. Just joking. But yeah, this doesn't look any good. something similar to Sunday will probably happen on Friday on White House Crypto Summit. Yeah, that's probably very good. Yeah, I mean, I did I did hear about it. Like the White House is gonna have like a crypto summit, right? Which is a high level, high level meeting between crypto leaders in the U.S. To be honest, I'm looking forward to it. I think I think what could happen is that we have like a quick dump all the way, maybe like down to 120, maybe even like 110, 5, 105 or something, and then we have like a big pump. But I have no idea about what's gonna happen in the summit itself. Like it's quite. I mean, like I don't think anything is public yet from what you're gonna talk about. And and yeah, you're saying there's some rumors about no capital gains tax on American crypto. To be honest, if that's the case, that'd be so bullish, dude. That'd be so bullish, literally. I'd like to, I don't know if I would move to the US, but I would almost consider it. Guys, it's a tough market, man. I bet it won't drop below 125. Yeah, let's take a look at the USD chart, Solana chart. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess 25. So I've actually had this price outlined for like quite a long time. Uh, and I usually don't do that unless there's a reason for it. And as we can see here, you're right. Like 125 seems like a very good technical level that we need to hold.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're likely gonna,
If you remember our last LP Alpha sessions, you were talking about this range. That's why that line
yeah,
is there.
yeah, exactly, right. And I think 125. That's like a very, very, very strong technical level that we need to hold. Otherwise, we're likely gonna see. I mean, if you guys remember, like August 5th, like we had a big dump. We can see it, right? We started the day off at like 140, and we went all the way down to 105 or so, no 110. Like that was a big dump. I mean, I think same could happen, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's kind of uncertain. But I think 125 is a solid level in any case. So my pre-coins are pumping, which is nice. It's ranging pretty well here. I'm kind of thinking about LPing Solana USDT. I'm not sure if like because
I
it
think
had
that's the alpha. That's the alpha.
yeah because I think it has a pretty good range, to be honest. It's ranging pretty well, like from 132, 131.
In my view, this range, like this $100 range, 100 to 150, I think Solana easily can go up again. So I don't think the risk reward in these ranges, of course, can go lower,
Mm,
but I don't think if you go lower, it's not like too much time holding Solana in a lower level. We'll back to these levels like
yeah,
so I think the risk reward right now for Sol SDC is one of the best because to Solana go back to $200 is easier. It's not like hard.
yeah.
It's just the market that's not helping. But if you oversight that, Solana can go up to $200 and you have like a Solana
Holy
bag.
wait.
So I
Yeah,
think
okay.
that's gonna be a great trade.
Yeah, so I think yeah, this dump here has been caused by um yeah, by Nasdaq and S&P. Like S&P is down, is down, yeah, it's down quite a lot. Also Nasdaq. I'm not sure if it's lagging or something, but it's showing two different prices. Yeah, S&P. I mean, guys, like I know I've heard some very good technical analysts, and they're basically saying that if S&P closes on the daily like below, so I did draw some technical lines before. If it closes before, maybe I can like try and draw it again. Yeah, it was probably like here, right? So we had like the bull run. It started from like October 23. If it, I think the idea is that if it closes like on the daily before, like below this level here, then we're probably in for some very big volatility. And and you're totally right. Like 5,700, like 5,700 is probably like it's a strong support that we need to hold on S&P. I totally agree. But yeah, like I mean, the markets are just very much based on S&P and Nasdaq, which is something that are beyond we can't really do anything about it, to be honest. So I'm earning pretty solidly on this one. Oh yeah, Priest is pumping, guys. Holy moly, this is awesome. I bought. Let's see how much I'm up. Probably not too much, but I bought a bit. Yeah, I'm up one, so which is pretty nice. Like right now, I'm like I think it has some small resistance here. Maybe it goes like a bit down and then goes back up again and approaches previous all-time high. If that's the case, then this could easily go to like 20 million today. But I think it will depend on Solana. Like if Solana decides to go on a shit, right? Like if Solana just shits, then we're likely gonna dump even more. But let's see what happens.
That's it. Uh, that you're talking like, please, that happens because I brought this coin at 200K. So yes, please, 20 million.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
But there is some resistance right now. I see. But Solana's just yeah. I don't know what to say. Greed 3. Oh my god, did that guy launch a meme coin, bro? Wait. What? What did he call it? His jail stool. It's a jail stool guy. Let me see. I kind of forgot his name. Let me see if I can find him.
Yeah, like he brought all the Grid 3 coins like
But
yesterday. He was buying all the ones, even the rugged ones.
yeah, let me see. Ah, okay. So he made a coin. Oh, so when did he make Greed 3?
Yeah, there's 100 of greedy trees. He was buying all of them, like all of them last night. Like,
Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Fort coin is on a big dump. What about Popcat? Yeah, Popcat is on a big dump as well. Slam, holy moly, man. So this whale who's in this bin here, right? He's probably earning pretty well right now. I mean, there's like 125k liquidity in this bin here. That's quite a lot, actually. I kind of hope, price is gonna go through it. Let's see what happens. But I'm earning pretty well right now. I mean, fairly well. Like in terms of this being, one of the safer pools. This is pretty solid, I believe. It's basically like, let's take a look at it, okay? So right now I'm earning like 0.12% a day, and I'm pretty wide. So this is like a bit safer than going all in one bid. So this could probably be held like for maybe a day, maybe even more. I'm earning 0.12% a day, like on fees alone. If we add the euro coins, that's probably, I mean, the I'm I'm basically earning like 2x more URC than fees, right? So that probably be like 0.36% a day that I'm earning on a quite stable pair, right? So that's quite a lot a year. That's like maybe that's 100% a year if price was to stay in this position here, and the rewards were to continue for more than 4 weeks. Oh my god, bro! It literally, it literally just went through my position. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna flip. I'm not gonna flip, but I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna do like a 50-50, and then I'm open like a two-sided position. So how low should I go? Like how low should I go?
Don't you think this bigger size curve position could be a good play for this? Because if you like, yeah, like because a stable coin, if you do a curve more concentrated, but with a bigger range, I think you can maximize your capital there.
Yeah, I think yeah, it's an interesting one. I think spot would probably be better because I mean this is quite
Or,
volatile.
you can do a mix, like you can do some spot and some or some BDS if you want to get more USC and the bottom end, like.
Yeah, yeah. I'm probably just gonna keep it simple.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, nah, it's all right, bro. It's all right. I really like bro. Always come with ideas. Nothing wrong. I just feel like it would be too much if I was to like make like too many advanced strategies because this is quite simple. Like this is a quite simple position, and I can hopefully like earn good fees and good rewards on this. I mean, what I hate is that like there are probably some bots out there that use the Meteora software development kit to basically deposit all the liquidity into the active bin. So whenever like the bin moves to to another bin, whenever the active bin moves to another bin, the bot basically just monitors the current bin like and kind of just rebalances into that bin, which is quite annoying because whenever someone else puts like 30k right into the active bin, then it's going to be less volatile, and I want more volatility. That's what I want as an LP because right now my capital down here and up here are not efficiently used. I'm earning nothing on this, nothing. because
Yeah,
we're
because he's front running you in the one beam. That's why I think you should try to do like a BDS key small because you're gonna have more liquidity at the edges. So when you being changed, you're gonna front run him and not, you know?
yeah, I kind of yeah. That's actually a very good point. Maybe I can do that. Yeah.
Because he's centralized in the one beam, but like the volatility is going for the sides all the time. So the time he has to change for the other beam, you are already profiting front running him,
Mm,
you know, in the next one.
yeah. Good point. I'm gonna do that. Okay. I'm gonna try that. So right now I'm basically just hoping for price to go out of this bit and then either go up here or up here or down here.
It's something you need to test out for at least a couple hours to see like
Yeah.
if the price range favors you.
Exactly. Exactly.
So everyone saw you talking about for Buiz and now the LP army is pumping. Let's go.
Yeah. We have peas pumping. It's 50%. I'm probably up like 50% on it. So maybe I made like two sold or something. Let's see.
Let's point.
Yeah. Let's point. I mean, bro, like
Point and chill.
I I saw the like discussion between Donald Trump and J and JD Vance, right? But I didn't hear him say that. Like I really didn't hear him say that. Like I'm not sure where the meme has come from. I'm really not sure. Whoever just shared the tweet, can you DM that tweet? And I'm gonna take a look at it. Yeah. So this was the tweet that was shared, and this tweet here is basically why this meme coin here has been performing so well recently. It's based on a meeting, but I still don't get where this phrase here has come from because like did this guy make the oh my god holy 17
I
oh
think it's not because of what something he said. I think it's
yeah
his behavior that people are like he behaved like a child, and
uh,
that's why people are saying that.
I think it's because of the tweet, bro. Like look at this, 33 million views.
Yes, like I think the meme. This guy did this like Photoshop on the page because of the behavior, and that got viral. You know.
Yeah, quite interesting. Just a good meme. Yeah. So it seems like this whale here is gonna get. Seems like liquidity is gonna go out of his position soon. Let's see what happens whenever his liquidity or the pin changes. Hey, what's up, Colin? Do you want to say something? It's gonna change soon. No problem, no problem, Colin. Guys, this is so crazy, man.
Someone saying curve.
Yeah, I don't know about curve. Like, I wouldn't do curve. Like, if I would do curve, I would rather just go one pin. There's no reason
Yeah,
to.
I think the BDS you take more less rewards, but I think you can, if you do the volatility right, you can compensate that.
Yeah, I can't agree. I think you could make. I mean, the only issue is that the fee is low, but so I don't know about how much I can make, but realistically, my reward should increase quite a lot until this whale here or like other whales, decide to provide liquidity into the active pin, because right now that's what people are doing. We have like whales, and I'm doing it myself, so uh, I did it myself today, so it's a very good strategy, to be fair. Yeah, Priest is looking interesting right now. Let's see if it actually converts this level here into a support level. GMet, see you later. See you later, fam. I want this level here to be, a support level, and it probably will be. It probably will be. Just need it to be confirmed. Do you all have any coins to take a look at? Maybe we could also take a look at Lucas Jr. to see if there are any other opportunities out there right now. Anything of any interest. So we have Ford Coin. Oh, Ford Coin is doing very good volume right now in the 20 pistol pool. Let's take a look at that one. Yeah, so Filecoin is looking very good, like against Solana, but not against USD. Because if we take a look at it against USD, you'll see some. Yeah, I mean, chart looks quite bad against USD, but against Solana, I guess it looks quite good. But yeah, I mean, if I was to LP this, yeah, maybe I could take this whole out of my Puisi position that I made and put it into Filecoin. See if I can like make some good fees on this range here. Keep correcting myself playing with Filecoin. Yeah, Filecoin has been very, dude, like this dump here, man. Yesterday, like I've never seen anything like this on such a big coin. That's actually crazy volatility going on. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a spot position, and I'm gonna do a very tight one. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it all the way down to 15.4. Okay, so that's this level here. Okay, I'm basically just gonna do a spot. So what I want to is I want price to range in this level here. I'm gonna keep this open, for as long as however you know it makes sense, right? So frankly, I'm just gonna keep it open in this range here, and hopefully I end up making some good fees on it. All right, cool. So this position here, I'm probably gonna keep it open uh for probably like more than a day. I mean, I just don't want Solana to, if I like right now, I'm not really like alarmed by Solana's price action. But if Solana, decides to uh go below, I definitely don't want it to, break this level here. And I'm also going to take a look at, macro conditions. If those look good, then I'm probably just going to keep it open. If not, I'm probably going to close it and stop loss, or maybe stop win. Depends on how many fees I make or how much fees I make. But I think this range here could be good so long as Solana doesn't just rug us and go to 110. Let's see if the EORC coin actually moved. No, it's still in the mid bin here. There's so much liquidity in it. Wow.
Yeah, I think everyone is watching your stream.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about Please. It's kind of just ranging here, and I'm probably gonna wait until I see like until whenever the 5 minute closes. I don't want it to close down here necessarily. I wanted to hold this and respect this level here. Maybe I could do one thing, okay? That'd be to withdraw all my USDC, and then I'm gonna put all the USDC into this bin here, because if we look at the ratio here, right? The ratio is already it's already dominated by USDC. So essentially, I wouldn't lose anything, to be fair, on impermanent loss. I'm gonna do this, to increase my earnings. But it's obviously just a bit riskier. So and basically I have my other bid ask position just in case it goes out of range on this pin here, because right now it could look like if the rest of the URC in here gets swapped into USDC, then it's gonna go to the upside, right? And then I have this second position here ready for that, ready for some short-term volatility. Yeah, guys. I mean, these rewards here are literally a game changer, legit. Oh, please, please don't dump anymore.
Please don't hug.
Yeah.
Don't hug, please.
Oh, guys, I think it's not gonna pump, man. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna hold it, to be honest, man. Like, I mean, it's kind of low risk. Or is it? Or is it actually low risk? I don't know. Maybe this was our exit pump. I don't know. But right now, there still seems to be like some type of support here, but it's definitely not as strong. I feel like, because this up here was like a resistance level that should have flipped into a support level, but yeah, it seems like it's gonna go out of range on this position here and go into this position. I think we're gonna wait for that to happen. Okay, so we're gonna give this pool here a few more minutes, and then after that we're gonna call it a day, y'all. Okay, so there's only like, yeah, there's almost no URC, so we're about to go out of range on this one. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's it. No real, okay, so no real volatility yet, because there still seems to be quite a lot of